Do you have the next great invention idea? Invention Assistant is here to help. We are the preferred invention support company in the industry by utilizing creative industrial designers and mechanical engineers to design and develop inventions for manufacturing on a global scale. Our services include patent searches, 3D CAD designs, patenting, prototyping, product promotional websites, prototype animation, marketing, licensing, and manufacturing. We help inventors with all the steps they need to reach the market with their ideas. We can protect their idea on blockchain, so it will be timestamped, then encrypted and secured, and only you have the keys. Most inventors are concerned with confidentiality, designing, and patenting. We provide everything under one roof. We also work with a large network of patent attorneys, marketing experts, and licensing professionals that can help protect and bring your idea to market. Team up with Invention Assistant. We have everything you need to succeed. Our industry experts have over 40 years' experience bringing products to market. We are here to make life easier for you. Let Invention Assistant bring your great idea to life.